Oh, thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about retained earnings on balance sheet. You have a balance sheet and you see retained earnings line. So what is retained earnings? I'm going to go over retained earnings using the QuickBooks Online. So the retained earnings are an accumulation of all the income of the company that has earned since its inception, and that would be as of last year. Let's say you started a business in 2001, and so you will see retained earnings all the way from 2001 through 2023. And basically, whenever you have current year income, it will move to retained earnings end of the year. Okay, and uh, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channels and leave a comment if you have any questions. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go to QuickBooks Online and go over retained earnings. Okay. So this is my demo account, and you have a balance sheet, and at the bottom you will see the equity and right after the total assets and total liabilities, you will see the equity line in here, and your the equity, you may have a different name for the equity section, owners or partners or shareholders, but the focus of this video is the retained earnings. So as you can see here, you can't click this, or you can click the other stuff, but you can't click it here because this is the like a automatically will move from net income to return earnings end of the year, and so you know basically if you want to go back to the let's say register startup accounts, you will see the difference there. Okay, so the balance sheet, you'll see the register, and P&L, you will just run the report for the fiscal year. See, as you can see, this is pretty big. Okay, so now you'll see that so income start from here, and you run the report. Okay, so retained earnings is still part of the balance sheet. As you can see here, there is no view register for retained earnings, just the run report. Okay, so you can't see that the retained earnings balance on your register. It's when you can see it. But you can't see it uh, for the retained earnings. It's kind of hidden. You can directly use the retained earnings account if you want to distribute to your shareholders, or partners, but you won't see it here. Okay, so that's why most of the people, most of the accountants, they basically use the distribution line, and that way they know how much they distributed each year to partners or shareholders or even the owners draw, and they don't touch the retained earnings account. And some accountants, they basically want to make that retained earnings to zero. So you can do that too. So for example, let's go to the balance sheet line again. Okay, so for this balance sheet, you have 887. Okay, so you can write a check for 887 and make that zero. So the retained earnings would be as of last year. Okay, let's just say some guy's name, Pat. Yeah, I have Pat here. Okay, and let's make this like as of last year. Okay, so the retained earnings. Okay, so now if you go back to the your balance sheet, you should see retained earnings. It's gone now. So so some accountants, it depends on what type of business entity you have. That's what they do. Or some accountants with partners, they just use the distribution account, at the year end. Uh, so so this is how it works. Now, if you want to find out your net income from your uh, for your business from inception, now you're lost. You don't know. So then you need to find out the P&L from inception. As of last year. So in here, all dates. So it started. So I don't know when this started. So basically, I'm just gonna say 1/1/2000 to 12/31 2023, and run the report. So in here, you will see that 887 number, and you can see it by each year if you just do it by years. So you lost that number because you zero out that retained earnings. So so you need to run the report P&L, to find out your total income from inception to as of last year. Because that's why most of the accountants, they don't use the retained earnings directly. Instead, they use the distribution line, or draws line in this case, depending on your business. Okay, so now you know about retained earnings, and hopefully you like this video. And if you like it, just be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.